Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be working with your audio to turn it into something unique. You'll notice that I've done a Google search and I've typed in the words Audacity. You want to type that into Google or whatever your search engine is, and typically the top result is going to be for Audacity Team. You want to go ahead and click that link. Once you do that, you want to download Audacity. The program is free. Now you can download Audacity for the Mac and for Windows. So once you download Audacity, then you want to go ahead and install it and then open it up. Now with Audacity, what you're going to want to do is to create your audio, and all you'll need to do to create your intro or outro audio is to click the red button. That will give you a recording, and then you're just going to go over to your file area and then you're going to export that audio. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull an audio into the timeline, and we'll just say that that is the audio that we created in order to serve as our intro or outro. Now if this is the intro that we just recorded, now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get the audio that we got with our PLR package, and we're just going to go to the file area and we're going to import that audio. And then when we do that, we'll click New Audio, and that's going to pull that audio into our project. Now the reason you want to use import and not open, if you use the open command, it's going to open the audio into a brand new file, and that's not what you want. You want to import your PLR audio into the file that you are working with. Now let's just say, for the sake of argument, that you are working with an outro too. So let's say that you've recorded an outro. All you need to do is you need to go and import that outro, which you created, into an MP3. And that's going to import now all three files. We want to be able to see the whole thing on our timelines. We're going to zoom out. You can do Control-3, or you can just use the command. So now we have these three files here in our document. So what we're going to do then is we want to put the cursor in the document. We're going to double click the one that we're going to be using, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to click Control X or cut command. I'm going to put my cursor there on the end where I want it. I'm going to add that right on to the timeline. I'm going to do the same thing with the outro. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to put it end to end with our document. So now I have an MP3 file. It's an intro, it's the PLR audio, and it is an outro. Now I have a completely unique audio that I can use to give to my customer. So now what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to export that file, and I'm going to need to export it using the File and Export Audio command. Now it's going to ask me to create a new file name, and that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to click Save. And it says that our tracks are going to be mixed down to 2 stereo channels in the export file, and that's what we want. And then we're going to click OK. So now we have a brand new MP3 file that is unique for our PLR. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.